Hello everyone. As part of learning big data using Hadoop and Spark lab, let us see the third experiment. First I'll show you the question, then I'll come back to the screens. This experiment is similar to the first experiment what you have seen in the previous sessions. During this you will be given some exercise like questions. So using the HDFS script commands, you are supposed to execute and attach the screenshots. For your reference, I have executed 1 or 2 exercise questions and I have left out 2 to 3 questions for you to do and submit it as part of your lab exercise. So let me show you the starting of this exercise. This is pretty similar to what we have seen during exercise 1 and 2. You will start with Oracle VM VirtualBox and click on, so I will show you, click on this start where the mouse is pointed, click on this start. The Oracle VM Virtual Manager starts and it takes a bit of time to install, and you see this screen. Close this browser window here and you should be able to see the desktop like this, which is the Cloudera window, the user interface screen. From here you can start executing various things, and as I have pointed out, if you see with the mouse pointer I have pointed out, this is the terminal screen wherein you can execute the HDFS commands. So the moment I click on this terminal, you should see the terminal screen and the cursor is blinking here. See this black bar, this is the cursor which is waiting for the command to be given, and the moment we give command, it executes the command which we have given if it is properly given, syntactically correct. Now what is the first one? Write a program to create directories and copy from one directory to another directory using file system API. Normally, why did I mention file system API is, generally if at all we know very good programming with Java and all, we can even implement the command for creating a directory and copy one complete directory into another directory using Java API. Because these are the initial stages of learning, I am just giving it with file system API, so wherein you can type in the command and do the same job. So what is the first one? Linux command to create the files. As I told you in exercise 1 and 2, you can either create a file using cat space greater than space the file name, or there is one more command just like Linux, we have touch. Touch, you specify the file name, it will allow you to create the file. Now here I have specified 3 files: touch space subject1.txt, subject2.txt, subject3.txt. So this allows us to create 3 files one after the other with the names specified there, right? Now what is the question here? Create the directory structure in HDFS. HDFS command for creating a directory structure. How do we create a directory? If at all it is to be created in local system, we can directly give mkdir. Mkdir stands for make directory. Directory in text-based operating system is equal to folder in your GUI based operating system, right? So don't get confused with the word directory. Directory is similar to folder. So you are trying to create a directory using the command mkdir, stands for make directory. If I want to create it in local drive, directly I can give the command mkdir space followed by the directory name. If at all you want to directly create in HDFS, the command to be given is HDFS DFS. Hyphen is the switch, as I mentioned previous sessions. HDFS DFS. HDFS is the Hadoop file system which we have configured. DFS, you are invoking the distributed file system command with the hyphen switch. mkdir is the command for creating a directory and followed by a space and name of the directory. If you see the first line, I have given HDFS DFS hyphen mkdir college. So you are creating a directory called college. In the second line, what did I specify? HDFS DFS hyphen mkdir under college I have specified with the slash another folder called CSC. Now who is the parent folder here? College, under which what is the child folder or subfolder? CSC. Similarly, I have created already the college folder in which I am creating a subfolder ECE, right? So if you are trying to identify, we have created one parent directory called college in which there are two subfolders, one is CSC, the other one is ECE. Next, after creating, now use the commands which are listed out, which we frequently use. I have listed them in session 1 or experiment 1. So try to do the following exercises which are mentioned here using those command lines. Similarly, we are trying to work here with command line. These things can be verified on a web interface. My exercise for you is, after executing all these command line commands, you just verify them using web interface. You might question me, ma'am, what is web interface? So that is what my exercise to you is. Under HDFS, what is web interface and how do I try to verify whatever I have executed with command line interface, how do I verify them on web interface? Please try to do this exercise and submit it to the faculty concerned. Thank you.